All right, guys, so we got the gas tank for the 57 Plymouth wagon. Got it all smoothed out, ground down, whatever, cleaned up. We're cleaning the inside right now, soaking the inside. It was a pretty clean tank overall. I don't have a light on right now. I wish I did, but anyways, it was a pretty clean tank inside, but the bottom was a little bit rusty, so we put a bunch of evapor rust in there, and we're gonna kind of let that sit overnight and check it out in the morning. We'll take it all out in the morning. It's already laid on its side several times to get all the sides. Did all that, so we're gonna go ahead and empty that out in the morning, and the bottom's all that's left to do, and rinse it all out and go from there. Paint it, restore it, prime it, seal it, whatever, all that good stuff. So that's what's going on with the tank for the wagon anyways. And also too, we did get a little bit more done to the wagon while we're still waiting for a motor for the wagon. We was able to go ahead and get this all cleaned off. This side, you can see it looks a little bit different now. You can actually see some of the white paint. We got some of the dents bumped out in the door and the quarter here. Still got more work to do on those yet, but probably a two-person job, not sure. Banging on the inside and all that good stuff. So, but you see the white paint kind of came back. Pretty cool. Cleaned it all up with our special concoction to get all that rust off there. Worked out really well. I got the crease dents right here. I tried to get this one out best I could, but you know, you can't get at it too well through the taillight in here, so it made it really tough. Did what we could so far, but we're still going to continue to work on that, pull that out all along this whole edge right here. We got to pull out, and down here at the bottom, and then it's got like some dings right here. I don't know if we'll be able to get those out, and then right here there's a couple dings right here and the quarter too, which we got to wait and see if we can get at it from the inside, which I doubt we'll be able to, but maybe we can get at it through here. Yeah, we can get at it right here, but there's so much undercoating in there, I'm not sure it's going to work, but we'll see what we can do with it. We'll do what we can. It's not perfect. It's not going to be a full resto, but do what we can. Clean the whole car up though. Hit it with our special concoction. Knocked a lot of the rust down. Kind of went over some of the upper parts of this side. We do got to do the rust on the bottom here again. On this side, because we do got to seal the car up. Once we do that, until we get a paint job on it, till we go ahead and do the paint job. Got to do the paint job coming up. We got a lot of interior work to do, so we'll be messing around with some of that here soon. But anyway, there's kind of the update on the wagon so far. Yeah, so let's get back to work on the wagon. All right, later.